Friends, exercise 8.2 ninth sum. The temperature of two cities A and B in a winter season are given below. Temperature of city A in degree Celsius 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Temperature of city B in degree Celsius 11, 14, 15, 17, 18. Find which city is more consistent in temperature Celsius. Now in this problem we use direct method. The solution of the problem. So temperature of city A. So xi1 which is equal to 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Next xi1 square which is nothing but square of xi1. So square of 18 equal to 324, square of 20 equal to 400, square of 22 equal to 484, square of 24 equal to 576, square of 26 equal to 676, that is 676. So now summation xi1 which is equal to sum of all the 5 values which is equal to 110. Next summation xi1 square which is equal to sum of all the values which is equal to 2460. Next x1 bar, that is mean of the temperature of the city A. So x1 bar which is equal to, already we know that mean x bar equal to sum of all items divided by number of items. So there are 5 values, sum of all the 5 values divided by number of items. So we get sum of all the values which is equal to 110 divided by total number of items is 5. So 1 pies are 5, 2 pies are 10, balance 1 we get 10, 2 pies are 10. So x1 bar which is equal to 22. Next summation 1, sorry, sigma 1 which is equal to square root of summation xi1 square divided by n minus summation xi1 divided by n the whole square. Summation xi1 square which is equal to 2460 divided by n is equal to 5. Next minus summation xi1 is equal to 110 divided by number of items is equal to 5 the whole square. Next 1 pies are 5, 4 pies are 20, balance 4 we get 46, 46 as 95, balance 1, so 10 as 25, so we get 492 minus, so 1 pies are 5, 11 as 25, balance 1 we get 10, 10 as 25 we get 22 the whole square. Next 492 square root of 492 minus 22 square equal to 484. Now subtracting these two numbers we get 8, so finally we get square root of 8. So square root of 8 which is equal to approximately 2.83%. Now the coefficient of variation 1 which is equal to sigma 1 divided by x1 bar into 100%. Next sigma 1 which is equal to 2.83 divided by x1 bar which is equal to 22 into 100%. Next 2.83 multiply with 100 we get 283 divided by 100. So 283 divided by 22 we get 12.86%. Next temperature of city B. So xi2 which is equal to 11, 14, 15, 17, 18. Next xi2 square which is equal to 11 square equal to 121, 14 square equal to 196, 15 square equal to 225, 17 square equal to 289, 18 square equal to 324. So now summation xi2 which is equal to sum of all this value which is equal to 75. Next summation xi2 square which is equal to sum of all this value which is equal to 1155. Next x2 bar which is equal to x2 bar which is nothing but mean of the temperature of city B. So x2 bar which is equal to 11 plus 14 plus 15 plus 17 plus 18 divided by total number of items 5. So sum of all this value which is equal to 75 divided by 5. So 1 pies are 5, 7 as 1 5, so balance is 2, we get 25, 5 pies are 25. So now mean x2 bar which is equal to 15. Next, sigma 2 is equal to square root of summation xi2 the whole square divided by n minus summation xi2 divided by n the whole square, which is equal to square root of summation xi2 the whole square, which is equal to 1155 divided by total number of items is 5, so n is equal to 5, minus summation xi2, which is equal to 75 divided by total number of items 5 the whole square. Next, 1 by 5, 11 has 2 5, balance 1, so we get 15, 15 has 3 5, so finally 5 by 1 by 5, so we get 231. Next, minus 1 by 5, 7 has 1 5, balance 2, so we get 25, 25 has 5 5s, so finally we get 15 the whole square. Next, square root of 231 minus 15 square equal to 225. Now subtracting these two numbers, we get square root of 6. So square root of 6, which is approximately 2.45 percentage. Next, CV2, that is coefficient of variation 2, which is equal to sigma 2 divided by x2 bar into 100 percentage, which is equal to sigma 2 equal to 2.45 divided by x2 bar, which is equal to 15 into 100 percentage. Next, 2.45 multiply with 100, we get 245 divided by 15, which is equal to, divided by these two numbers, 245 divided by 15, we get 16.33. So finally, you can observe these two coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is variation 1 is less than coefficient of variation 2. So the temperature in a city A is more consistent.